This is what we do on Friday nights.
We gotta rate your new engine bay?
No.
Damn.
Done mostly by me. Done by me. You know.
Mostly by you, bitch. I did all of that.
Shut up.
I love how you and Trevor traded strut bars.
I didn't like the bright ass red on the dark blue car.
You didn't like the red.
I thought it was perfect.
Now Trevor's looks different too, because his
Now he's got the turret strut base.
I don't know. I mean, I
He
guess
needs
it
to-
matches his brakes.
What?
I don't know. Did you see the bucket seats?
and I put a new banner in there. And there's Jasmine's car. You got the bucket seats? Alright, let's get a bucket seat review. We're gonna get a bucket seat review. It's a bucket seat. Pretty nice. It smells like an old car in here.
Because it's an old car. Older than yours.
That is true. With the quick disconnect.
I can't get in it. I mean, you know, got a little problem here.
Yeah, how do you fit in those seats?
I do. Well, you want me to show you? That's what I thought.
Does this look like 500 to you? Because it doesn't look like it to me.
No, it does not.
Yeah, no. If
unassuming-
It doesn't look anything like 500.
It's the most unassuming.
What in this causes 500?
Well, if you look back there,
Yeah, if you
there's
take a
nice,
gander behind, there's a
there's
nice big
like,
ass turbo.
53 mil
Where?
behind the engine.
There's like a 53 mil running like 20 something odd pounds.
Yep.
What is it, 26 pounds of
Oh, would
boost?
you look at that Wu-Tang war
It's
whistle?
capped at 24.
Wu-Tang War
Would you
Whistle.
look at that Wu-Tang war whistle?
It's supposed to be capped at 24.
Is it 24 or 26?
24.
Oh.
Stock internals can only handle. No, the turbo can handle like 32.
Damn. I think they
Capped
said.
at 24.
I think they said once he builds
Yeah, no,
internals,
as soon as he does internals, he can go up to
I'll
700.
insert the clip here.
We're limited to like 24 pounds on stock rods.
Yeah, that's
So this is basically all you get until you want to build a motor.
Yep.
Motorcycle. These cars together actually do look really good because they contrast real well. Yippee. Alright, anyways, moving back through. We got some other stuff. There's Savannah's, STI, one of this person. Lots of bikes. Cool BMW over there. There's a lot of bikes here today now that I'm thinking about it. Like a lot. And obviously, Jasmine's car, my car, Jacob's car, Trevor, Chase. Don't know the Lexus.
You know what's funny? The Miata beat one of those.
A GTO. Ah, it's got the Celine. That's sweet. Look at that. People don't know how to drive. Yeah, let's talk.
Look at the atmosphere. That thing's huge. Oh, really? Yeah.
Oh, hello. Not you, right?
Oh. No, that's a Z06.
No way.
That's
That's
sweet.
a $200,000 Corvette. I'm just saying.
That's ridiculous,
Well,
man.
after dealer markups.
A lot of nitrous. Damn. I don't even know what happened, but now this one's assaulting that one.
That one. So. Chill out, man.
I'm gonna beat his ass.
Just,
BMW looks fire.
That's scary. This is great. I love this thing.
Look how big the front is. Yeah, a little bit.
I'd kill for one of these.
Pretty car. No on Scion, please.
How do you want to put on this for you? I'm going to put it on this for you.
Again?
Oh, I thought he was.
Now the turns of table, I guess.
Oh, it's dirty.
Yeah.
Why doesn't Alex wash his goddamn car?
Don't ask me.
All right, Trevor, you're struggling way too much.
Yes. Yes. Your car's.
Is it on there?
Yes.
Can I even see it? You can barely see it on the camera.
Next
Ready,
to
pick
the
it
unicorn.
Burning, just send it, bud. Nah.
No, that's Island Ranch, bro.